This channel is for educational purposes only. We show you the how-tos. This should not be constituted as financial advice. Please contact a professional in that area to let you know what you should do with your money. Every year about this time, those W-2s start hitting the mailbox. Many of us may be seeing a refund during this tax season, and will promptly take those refunds to a dealership. Now, one of the bigger costs, in addition to the vehicle price, the out the door price, so to speak, is going to be the amount of sales tax that you pay. Now, sales tax varies from state to state and situation to situation. But what I've come up with is a small spreadsheet that I add the sales tax, allow you to select the state, and it'll get the proper sales tax rate according to the last figures I've got, which was 2024. The 2025 tax rates haven't come out yet. I will be updating these, and I'll make that spreadsheet available to members who subscribe to the channel. I'm just going to save it as a file. In addition to the sales tax, I'm going to add an opportunity for you to put in those destination fees. That's another non-negotiable fee. When you go to a dealership, you're going to have to pay those destination fees. Pretty much everything else, I'm not looking to pay for. I know I'm going to have to register the vehicle. And if that's not included in that TTL, which is the majority of it is going to be taxes, I am not trying to pay it. Anything outside of these two things, I'm going to give them side eyes and let them explain at the dealership, why am I paying this? But just to give you a brief synopsis of what it is, I want to show you what you can do with my spreadsheet and use it as a tool to make that vehicle purchase. As I said, it's a pretty straightforward spreadsheet. What you're going to do is focus on that sticker price, right? Let's go ahead and put in, 27,584 and enter. That's $27,584 for a small car, right? However, where my spreadsheet differs, I'm just going to go ahead and use this drop down menu that I created. It has these states and the tax rates associated with those states. So whenever you pick on a state, let's say New York, for example, New York sales tax rate on a vehicle is 4%. And that's going to add $1,000 to your price there. Now, you also have what's called the destination fee. That's federal, and these are non-negotiable. Now, they're all the same no matter what state you go into. Those destination fees are going to be baked in to the sticker price, or that maroony sticker that you see on the driver's side glass on the back there. That's your maroony sticker. You'll find the destination fee and just plug that in. I think it's around $7.50 depending on average. So what you will see is reflected in that total negotiating starting point price. This is what they call the out the door price before they start adding in all those extras like advertising fees, doc fees. Tell you the truth, I'm going to have those doc fees itemized in that bill of sale before I even have them added in there. Those are little areas where dealers were trying to play with the numbers. But this one will give you a kind of an idea of what is advertised as a $27,000 vehicle and what you're actually paying after taxes and destination fees. Pretty straightforward spreadsheet, and it's good for every single state in the union, even for states like Delaware, where there is no sales tax. Make sure you stop by and check it out. I would appreciate it. Now, this spreadsheet is just some tool that I came up with, right? But if you really need some professional assistance trying to make that perfect deal at a dealership, make sure you stop by the YouTube channel for CarEdge. It's a father and son duo, guys with 40 plus years of experience selling cars. You want to listen very closely to what these gentlemen are saying before you plunk down any money, the do's and don'ts. I recommend them, highly recommend them. Go ahead and check them out. Until next time, I'll talk to you later.